Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Tesla and Electric Vehicle in 5 minutes. In this video, we are going to see how to order most expensive Tesla in the world in Singapore. My name is Anil. Recently, I have ordered Tesla Model 3 Performance that costs 166,000 US dollars in Singapore, and I have taken delivery as well. This is my journey. You might be wondering, why does Model 3 cost as much as Tesla Model S Plaid? Let's find out. This is the cost of Tesla Model 3 red and white interior performance model in Singapore. Tesla sells Model 3 Performance at around 73,000 US dollars in Singapore, and there is an additional registration fee that costs more than the car. There is a reason behind this. And there is a certificate of entitlement. If you are wondering what is this is a license to buy a car in Singapore, and there is a limited quota every month. Singapore government also giving 45,000 Singapore dollars electric vehicle incentive for the early adopters. This is a fantastic news. Total, it costs around 166,000 US dollars for Tesla Model 3 Performance red and white interior in Singapore. What is the reason behind this? The reason behind this is the demographics of Singapore country. Singapore is a beautiful place, and also it has one of the best public transport network in the world. Most of the times you don't need a car. Since I'm a big Tesla fan, I have to buy a Tesla because I have to experience it, and I've been looking forward to it for many years. The reason behind the cost of not just the Tesla but every car in Singapore is because of the land size. As you can see, Singapore entire country is just a part of New York City when you compare the land area. Since the land area is very limited, not everyone can afford to own a car, because if everyone purchases a car, there is no place to park it, forget about driving it. That is the reason Singapore limits the number of cars on the road, and there is zero regrets paying these taxes because Singapore is one of the efficient system, and most of the taxes that we pay come back to the people in terms of infrastructure. I'm so happy that I made this purchase. Let me show you how to order a Tesla in Singapore by going to tesla.com website. It's very easy to order a Tesla in Singapore. All you have to do is navigate to tesla.com. You just go to your browser or your mobile phone, type in tesla.com. Make sure you are in Singapore page. The way you do that, you click on the menu. At the bottom of the menu, you pick the country and switch to Singapore. Most of the time, it happens automatically. You can confirm you're in Singapore page. You can see the URL tesla.com/en_sg. Let me tell you this interesting thing about Tesla. Tesla doesn't have any dealerships. They sell directly to the customers. The only way you can order Tesla is through their website. Even if you walk into their showroom and say, hey, I would like to order a Tesla, they will say to you, please order yourself by going to mobile or a website and following this process. The only Tesla that you can order today in Singapore is Model 3. Click on custom order. It takes less than a minute or probably less than 2 minutes to order a Tesla. As you can see here, there are various options. It's very easy. I have went with Performance Model 3, and I have selected red color, and I have selected white interior. So when it comes to full self-driving, better you should purchase this after the car delivery, because if you add it before the delivery, then it will also attract the taxes and you will end up paying quite a lot of amount for the FSD software. Since it's a software, you can order it after the delivery, so please make sure that you don't order full self-driving. to save some dollars, and then you click on continue to payment. You can see the details of your order. If you want to pay by cash, you can do cash payment. If you want to take a loan, you can go with the loan option. So you can order with your credit card, click on order with the card, and mention your details and input your card details, billing information, and then agree to the terms and conditions and click on place order. It takes less than 2 minutes to order a Tesla. Hope this video is useful for you. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe. There will be more videos I'll be posting about my Tesla and my journey in Singapore. Thank you for watching this video.